Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a gallery or a photo gallery in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and click on websites. Next to the website that you want to add your photo gallery or image gallery on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a photo gallery, simply with your mouse hover over between two sections and you will see add section. Click on it, then scroll down to gallery and you will see those templates. Select the template that you like, for example this one, and it will be inserted here on your website. As you see, this section comes with a big title, a short description, and the gallery photos. If you are not satisfied with this gallery template, you can edit it by removing this section like this. Then click again on add section and scroll down to gallery and select another template, for example this one, and it will be automatically added to your page. Now, how to edit or how to change those images? Simply select the images like this and click on manage gallery. You will see the current pages inside your gallery, and you can delete one from this multiple photos, and you can add new photos by clicking on this add images button. Now you can either insert or search for free images from here or upload them from your computer. Those are the images that I want to. You can select multiple photos at once and click on open and wait for them to be uploaded. Now select the images that you want to add and click on add to gallery. And just like that, your new photos are added last in the list or at the bottom of the list. You can edit the order of those pages just like this. Let's place them first in the list, just like that. Then close this window, and just like that your new photos will show up like this. Now don't forget to update your website to publish those changes. Accidentally I clicked on the preview mode. Let's go back to the editor and wait for the publishing to be completed. My website is updated. Let's view it live. And this is how the gallery looks like. Those are the default photos, and those on the top are the ones I've added. Now, before wrapping this video, let's show you how to edit this gallery. So select the gallery first, click on edit gallery, and you can edit the photos layout from grid to masonry. You can also edit the items per row. The default is 3 in my case. You can go with 2 and up to 16. You can also edit the gap between photos. You can make them closer or wider. And on click, you can either open full screen preview or do nothing. You can also add an animation to this gallery, for example, this fade animation. This is a scale. The slide, let's go with the slide. Update my website again. Now let's view the new animation, and as you see, let's refresh. As you see, there is a slide up animation, and the gap between photos is a little bit narrower. And this is how to add a photo gallery in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.